Today in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can reactivate your Facebook account. So please make sure to follow these steps till the end. So first of all, let's deactivate your account. Make sure you are logged into your account that you want to reactivate. Head over to this three line at the top right corner. Scroll down and move into Settings and Privacy. And then again click on Settings. Now move into Personal and Account Information. Head over to the Account Ownership and Control. The option of deactivation and deletion will be visible to you. Move into it. Choose Deactivate Account and click on Continue to Account Deactivation. State one of the reasons why you want to deactivate your account and then click on Continue. Now scroll down and then again click on Continue. Now for the last time, scroll once again and click on Deactivate My Account. There you go, your account has been deactivated successfully. Now let's look into the process on how to reactivate your Facebook account. So move into your Facebook application. The reactivation process is very simple, so what you need to do is enter the phone number or the email that is associated with your Facebook account. Once you are done, enter the password of your Facebook account. Now click on Login. So there you go, your Facebook account has been reactivated successfully. This process is similar to how you log into your Facebook account. Well, this much for today, and this was the tutorial video on how to reactivate your Facebook account. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.